Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Definitely a very different setup today. I actually thought I might do a little vlog today. I'm very nervous to do so let's see how this goes. I'm currently on my way to the train station because I'm going to the Glossybox birthday party in Manchester. As you can see by the umbrella on my shoulder, it is a lovely day here. Last time I went to Manchester, which was to see the Spice Girls, it rained that day as well. So we definitely don't have much luck with trips to Manchester. But yeah, just on the way to the train station to meet my friend, who I think has said is okay to be on camera. So I will show you her and document today. So I'll probably show a bit of the journey and then show you once I get there. I presume they'll have like a social media and team and things in there. So I would have thought I could probably vlog it. And I think it'll probably be on their Instagram and things. So I'll probably put a couple of things on Instagram stories and then hopefully be able to piece together some footage from this and edit and put my first vlog up. So I will see you soon. So we're currently trying to work out which train that we need to get. Very confusing that there's two trains in the one platform. One says it's going to Scarborough, one says it's going to Manchester. So God knows which train we're going to get on. We're just going to try and find someone to ask now. But this is my friend Vicky. We're very excited to be going to the Glossybox party, so I'll check in a bit. I think we're on the right train. We're hoping so anyway. We're going to see where we end up. But we have come very prepared with some alcohol that we picked up in Marx's. We've got some fajitas on the go, and we've also got some crisps to enjoy. You'd think we're not going to be on the train for hours, but we're only on it for about an hour. So that's it for now. So Manchester is as sunny as it is at home. It is really, really raining and really windy, and we're desperate to not get wet, so we're just trying to find our way there now using good old Google Maps. Find our way from the train station to the hotel where it's at. So I'm not going to vlog much of the actual journey because it is just raining, but I will film some things when we actually get there. Here in the bar area waiting to go in. We're about an hour early, but as long as we're outside the rain I don't care. So we're just going to sit here and get a drink and then wait for them to call us into the party. Got our drinks ready to go. I thought I would go through the goodie bag I received and show you what we got. So we got this big old gift bag. Let me just take my jacket out. So the first thing we got is another one of the birthday edition Glossybox from the month of August. So I've opened this one up and it is actually identical to the items that I received in the post the other week. So if you want to check out the Glossybox unboxing, you can see in detail what I did receive that month. And I did get another one of the Imperial Leather Foam Burst, which I have been really enjoying and using, and did actually go to repurchase the other day but have struggled to get a hold of. But was very happy to actually receive a full size in the gift bag of the exact same scent that I had, so I was very happy with that. We also got a Yankee candle, and this is the Alfresco Afternoon. It does smell really nice. We then got a Ico mascara, and this is the Lash Alert mascara. I've tried the Sport one not that long ago and wasn't too keen on it, but let's see what this one's like. We then got a lipstick from Illamasqua, and this is in the shade Meteor, which looks like it is going to be a really nice nude pink mauve shade. Then we have a shower gel from Molten Brown. This is the Jasmine and Sun Rose shower gel. We have a headband by Johnny Loves Rosie. It's a nice nude peachy colour. We have got the perfume samples. The first one is Angel by Thierry Mugler. And the second one is this Azaro Wanted Girl. We then have this makeup brush from Unicorn Cosmetics. This is a Corally brush. Really cool packaging and will look nice in my brush stand. Then we have this Bye Bye lip scrub. I think it's Bye Bye, I think that's how you say it. We have the Multi-Purpose Balm by Dr. Pawpaw, and this is the original one. Then we have a super bright yellow nail varnish from Nails Inc. I've tried a few of these nail varnishes and I quite like them. Then we have a sleek matte me lipstick, and this is in a nice red shade, which is STFU. We have this Palmer's Cocoa Oil Formula Swivel Stick, which I'm really intrigued by. I'm not too sure about this one, but I'm really intrigued to try it. And then onto the actually freebies that I picked up while I was here, and we picked up some masks from Illamasqua, so a few different ones here. We have the Diamond Eye Mask, the Gold Eye Mask, the Happy Mind and Nourish Skin, the Pomegranate Face Mask, and the Morning Goggle Eye Mask. So a few different sheet masks for me to try there. We then got another freebie from the brand Bye Bye. This is the CBD Booster Oil, which I'm intrigued to try because the girl did go through the benefits of this and it sounds quite interesting and something that I would be keen to add to my skincare routine. So that is it for the freebies that I've received. I've also had my hair curled by Remington, which there will be a clip in the vlog section of this. And I've also had a lovely hand and arm massage from Molten Brown. They've used some of their new oils on my skin. I've entered a prize draw for a designer bag, and we've also had freebie cocktails, and I think it was a martini, and we've also had some prosecco as well, and we're sitting out currently in this lovely terrace, which I will just do a quick pan of. So now we're just heading on our way back to the train station. As you can see, the rain has not gone off and the weather is still miserable. It was nice sitting out on the roof terrace there, even though it was a bit rainy, it wasn't too bad because we were quite undercover and they had heaters and things, so it was quite nice sitting under there with a nice glass of prosecco. Hopefully shouldn't get home too late, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I may try and do another one in the future because it's not as scary as I thought it would be. But if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. But I will probably be doing a giveaway with the items contained in the goodie bag because there's a few things in there that I won't use, and I did say I will do a giveaway in the near future. So stay tuned for that. I'm not too sure of the date yet, but stay tuned for the future giveaway coming soon. Okay, so I've just got home and laid all of the goodies out on the bed. So this is everything that we received. This is the bag that we got it in. We've got another August Glossybox. We've got this brush here, which is very fancy. Some lip products, some moisturising products, and a full size of the foam base, which I'm extremely happy about. A couple of perfume samples, a headband, some nail varnish, some shower gel, some mascara, a Yankee candle, which smells really nice, but I just can't put my finger on what the scent actually is, and then a whole load of sheet masks and eye masks, which I'm really excited to give a go because I do like the things that I've tried from Vitamasks or Vitamasks before. So yeah, this is my little haul of goodies that I picked up at the Glossybox birthday party. And so that is it for today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.